Imagine stepping into your garden. You see a bright, sunny corner. There, your very own lemon tree is bursting with life. Imagine the aroma of citrus blossoms filling the air. Picture plump, juicy lemons ready to be picked. This can be your reality. Growing a lemon tree at home is a rewarding experience. Lemon trees bring a touch of the Mediterranean to your doorstep. They offer more than just delicious fruit. These trees are beautiful additions to any garden. They are surprisingly easy to care for. Whether you have a large yard or a small balcony, you can enjoy homegrown lemons. Let's embark on this citrusy adventure together. This guide will equip you with the knowledge to grow your own lemon tree. Soon, you'll be enjoying the fruits, literally, of your labor. Choosing the right pot is the first step. A large pot with good drainage is essential for healthy roots. Look for a pot that is at least 20 inches wide and deep. Terracotta pots are a popular choice. They are porous and allow the soil to breathe. Next, select a good quality potting mix specifically designed for citrus trees. Citrus soil needs good drainage and slightly acidic pH. Don't use garden soil. It can be too dense and may not drain well. Now, gently remove your lemon tree sapling from its nursery container. Loosen the roots around the edges. Place the tree in the center of your prepared pot. Make sure the top of the root ball is level with the soil surface. Fill the rest of the pot with potting mix and water deeply. Lemon trees thrive on sunshine. Choose the sunniest spot in your garden or balcony for your tree. Aim for at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight each day. If you live in a particularly hot climate, you might need to provide some afternoon shade. Watering is crucial, especially during the growing season. Water your lemon tree deeply when the top inch of soil feels dry. You can check this by sticking your finger into the soil. Avoid overwatering, as this can lead to root rot. During colder months, reduce watering frequency. Lemon trees go somewhat dormant in winter and need less water. Observe your tree's leaves for signs of thirst. Drooping leaves often indicate a need for water. Pruning might seem intimidating, but it's essential for a healthy and productive lemon tree. Pruning helps to maintain the tree's shape and size, remove dead or diseased branches, and encourage new growth, which leads to more fruit. The best time to prune is in late winter or early spring before new growth begins. Use sharp, clean pruning shears to make clean cuts. Start by removing any dead, damaged, or diseased branches. Then trim back any branches that are crossing or rubbing against each other. You can also remove suckers, which are fast-growing shoots that emerge from the base of the tree. One of the most exciting aspects of growing a lemon tree is the anticipation of fresh, homegrown lemons. The fruit-bearing cycle of a lemon tree is fascinating. Lemon trees typically bloom in spring with fragrant white blossoms that attract pollinators. After pollination, small green fruits begin to form. These fruits gradually mature over several months, turning a vibrant yellow as they ripen. The time it takes for lemons to ripen can vary depending on the variety and climate. Generally, you can expect to harvest lemons anywhere from 6 to 9 months after flowering. Some lemon trees can even produce fruit twice a year, giving you a bountiful harvest. Section 6. Picking your zesty bounty. Knowing when to harvest your lemons is key to enjoying their full flavor. Lemons don't ripen further after being picked, so patience is essential. Here are a few telltale signs that your lemons are ready for harvest. Color-ripe lemons have a bright, vibrant yellow color. Avoid picking lemons that are still green or have a greenish tinge. Size. Check the size of the lemons against their variety's description. Generally, ripe lemons are firm and plump. Gently squeeze the lemon. It should have a slight give but should not feel mushy. When harvesting, use pruning shears or a sharp knife to cut the lemons from the tree. Leave a small piece of stem attached to the lemon. This helps to prevent the fruit from rotting. Section 7. From garden to glass, enjoying your harvest. Congratulations! You've successfully grown your own lemons and are ready to enjoy the fruits, literally, of your labor. Freshly squeezed lemon juice is a versatile ingredient in countless recipes. Add a tangy twist to your beverages, from refreshing lemonades to sophisticated cocktails. Use lemon zest to enhance the flavor of baked goods, sauces, and marinades. Beyond culinary uses, lemons offer a myriad of practical applications around the home. Their natural acidity makes them excellent cleaning agents. Create your own all-natural cleaning solutions with lemon juice and baking soda. The refreshing scent of lemon can also act as a natural air freshener. Section 8. Troubleshooting common lemon tree woes. Even with the best care, lemon trees can sometimes experience problems. Here are a few common issues and how to address them. Yellowing leaves. This could indicate overwatering, poor drainage, or a nutrient deficiency. Check your watering practices and ensure your potting mix is well draining. You might need to supplement with a citrus-specific fertilizer. Leaf drop. Sudden leaf drop can be caused by temperature fluctuations, pests, or stress. Make sure your tree is in a location with consistent temperatures and protect it from extreme heat or cold. Inspect for pests and treat accordingly. Fruit drop. Fruit drop can occur due to inconsistent watering, poor pollination, or stress. Water your tree consistently, especially during fruit development. Encourage pollination by gently shaking the branches during flowering. If you're unsure about a problem, consult with your local nursery or a gardening expert. They can provide guidance and help you nurse your lemon tree back to health. Section 9. Lemon Tree Love, a rewarding journey. Growing a lemon tree is a rewarding experience that brings joy and fresh, zesty goodness to your home. With a little care and attention, your lemon tree will thrive, rewarding you with fragrant blossoms, vibrant foliage, and of course an abundance of delicious lemons. So why wait? Embark on your lemon tree growing journey today.